Our next topic is professional communication. While this might not seem like a very important topic, this could be the topic that could make or break you in terms of finding a position or keeping your job. I highly suggest you read through the Professional Communication PowerPoint as well as the links I have about professionalism under the Professional Communication tab on Moodle. In addition, reading the Sending an Email Word document will also help you in the next couple of semesters on how to professionally communicate with your professors. I do want to point out something that can be misconstrued and something that the simplest little thing could potentially get you in a lot of trouble. Last year during the Little League World Series of softball, there was a pretty bitter game between one team and another team in the semifinals. One team got so mad that they posted this picture, as you see here on the screen, on their Snapchat, thinking that Snapchat was only going to be shown for one day and most people wouldn't see it. Somehow, a parent from the other team got a hold of this picture and sent it to Little League National. As a result, this team was disqualified from the game, and their opponent actually got to go to the Little League World Series finals. So this little picture, which 6 girls out of the 12 on the team thought was making a statement against the other team, actually turned out to bite them in the booty. The 6 girls who are not pictured also lost out on their opportunity for making the Little League World Series. So it's important to think about your actions and make sure anything that you have on social media, you or your parents wouldn't be embarrassed to see. Keep in mind that people check Facebook, they check Instagram, they check Snapchat, they check all of your social media accounts to see what kind of employee they might have working for them. I've read some statistics that say the percentage is getting larger and larger each year about who checks social media before they hire their employees. So please read up on this chapter. There'll be no assignments just this topic, but please take a few minutes to read through this information.